what's up mga katropa Jack? Long time no see. And just a little update dito sa bike natin. So, after the pandemic, alam nyo naman nangyari, medyo marami nang lay low pagdating sa pagbabike and isa na tayo doon. So, after like sobrang ilang months, pag nakita nyo ang bike, sobrang dumi oh. Hindi talaga nagagamit. Kaya, and nasira na rin yung dropper post ko. Kaya ngayon, gumawa ako ng video. Upgrade tayo ng seat post or dropper post. At ayun, bumili ako ng factory transfer dropper post. And we're going to do a simple DIY ng pagkabit ng dropper post natin na bago. So, magbabalik loob tayo magbike kahit pa konti-konti. And kasi nga after ng pandemic lahat nakapag-basketball na, and most of the time mga friends ko din na nagbabike dati is basketball na din. But ngayon tatry namin magbike ulit, kaya pinakukondisyon namin lahat ng bike namin, and soon we'll make videos, vlog videos again. Hanggang na lang ako, panood na lang tayo ng mga nakaraang vlog natin nakakatawa din, kaya sorry ni balik. Kaya let's go. Isa pang tip, maganda kasi ngayon mag-upgrade or bumuo ng bike kasi bagsak ang bike market ngayon. Most of you know, oversupply. So hindi na forcing ng mga bike companies, kaya marami rin bike companies, yung iba lay off ng mga tao nila, yung iba nagsara. Kaya eto, actually nabili nga natin yung fax transfer natin with a very big discount. So kung dati sa garing siya with the remote 23k, ngayon nakuha lang natin siya ng around 15k. So good deal siya, 'di ba? Kaya ngayon okay bumili ng mga pyesa ng mga bike ngayon. Kaya kung nagpaplano kayo na mag-bike, buo ng bagong bike or bumili ng bike, ang daming sale. Tingin-tingin lang kayo. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Munti ko lang actually ibenta yung bike ko kasi hindi nagagamit But naisip ko nga na okay din lagi na may bike para just in case gusto mo ng exercise, ikot-ikot lang dito sa village, meron ka, di ba? Kaya hindi ko na siya bebenta. Kaya yun, ganda kasi tayo lang din nag-build nito from the frame, etc. Lahat lang at na-vlog natin yan, di ba? So yung mga bago sa channel, pwede nyong watch yung mga previous vlog videos or yung mga vlogs ko about mga adventures natin dito sa bike and paano siya nabuo. Alright, so quick run through lang pagdating sa mga gagamitin natin. So ito na siya, fax transfer, Kashima coating, yung factory with the remote. So 2023 model siya. Okay, so yan. So, yan. Ito na yung mga kailangan natin. Kailangan natin ng cable cutter. Tapos, yung mga Allen wrench, syempre, pangkalas. Basically, yun lang. Tapos, kaya natin gawin to. Let's go. So, yun nga pala, bumili ako ng carbon sa Lazada na NB-han. So, ito siya. Kaso, carbon, hindi tayo marunong sa carbon na masyado nahigpitan. Ayan. Crack.
Don't try this at home.
Alam nyo naman, yun tayong kumanikalikot Kaya, ayun. Crack, basag. Kaya, napunta tayo dito sa fax transfer. Ito naman din yung pangarap natin na dropper post. Kasi nga, since fax tayo, fax 36, na nakakashima. So, yung dropper post ko, yung terno din, may Kashima. Okay, enough of the talkies, diba? Let's go. Gawa-gawa na tayo. Actually, madilim na. Bukas may plan ride kami. Kaya tingnan natin. Dapat matapos ko to in Mga ilang minutes lang. Okay. Let's go. Already remove the seat post. So next, let's remove the saddle. So this is going to be a like short DIY. So as you can see, I already routed the cable inside the frame. Okay. So it's just easy to do. So okay, so I haven't shown how to measure the depth of the transfer post. You can do that later. It's just it's important. It's just important that you know your measurement from the bottom bracket to your inseam. You know where's the inseam? Here up to where the saddle is placed. Okay? Let's put the saddle. Let's use a Allen wrench number 4 to loosen the bolts. Oopsie!
Could you please?
Oh, man. Oh, it's very durable. There's no dent or even a scratch. Look. Good job, box transfer. Okay. So, nakabit na natin siya. So, just follow the arrows. There's some arrows underneath. So, you will see the right position where you will put the saddle. Okay. So, this is the cable. Get the bushing. This is very important not to lose this cable bushing. Put here, put it inside the cable housing. So first thing that we will do is to get the correct length of the cable housing. Now let's install the cable, the proper post. Let's put the cable and the actuator. See? Clip it here. Boom! Put the cable inside the cable housing. Let's get some grease. For the meantime, this is the measurement. So I haven't measured it yet, but it's very easy to do. You can do it later. Okay, so make sure that the cable has enough length before you cut it. Okay, so I think the length of my cable is enough. Remove it once again. Put this again at the other end of the cable housing. Okay, so now we're going to put the remote. So it's a Fox remote, and since I'm using a SRAM G2 Ultimate, it has some matchmaker. So I'll just directly screw this here. So it will be much more simpler. It will just use one clamp on each side. So one clamp there, we have the matchmaker, so the shifter is here, also here. I'm just going to use that matchmaker thing for SRAM and just screw this remote directly. That's one good thing about this matchmaker. It will make it look clean and minimalist, right? Alright, once you get the right length of the cable housing, then put the cable inside the housing again. Pull the cable, not the housing, while you insert the dropper post. So I'm putting the cable now. Remember, pull the cable, not the housing. Okay? Then insert. So let's try it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, it's working, but I nearly destroyed my bike stand, the fudge. So let's try it.
Don't try this at home.
Got it correctly. It's working. I'll just adjust my levers. Whew, that's it. We already installed the Fox transfer. So we had the 125 mil. I forgot to tell you that, guys. So yeah, there you go. Feels much better than my previous dropper post. It's a race face dropper post. It's the old model. But right now, I tried riding the bike, and also the placement of the saddle. It's very different from what I had previously, and for me, it's a good upgrade. All right, that's right.